If you're looking to protect your content from being shared or downloaded without your permission, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to secure your valuable media and ensure that it's only accessed in the way you want it to be. We all know how frustrating it can be when your work gets downloaded, shared, or used without your consent. The good news is that there are several simple strategies and tools you can use to protect your content effectively. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about watermarking. Adding a watermark to your images, videos, or any visual content makes it clear that the content is yours and deters others from downloading or sharing it. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your content remains identifiable. You can use various tools, but make sure the watermark is subtle enough not to distract but visible enough to protect your work. Next, consider disabling right-click options. If you're sharing content on your website, you can disable the right-click functionality so that users can't simply download images or videos. This can be done through basic HTML code or by using a content management system (CMS) plugin. While it's not foolproof, it's definitely a deterrent for casual users. Another option is restricting access via passwords. If you're sharing sensitive content, locking it behind a password or creating exclusive access links is a great way to ensure that only the right people can view it. You can use software to generate these private links or password-protected areas on your website, ensuring that only authorized viewers can access your content. For those of you using Coco video content, you might want to explore embedding restrictions. Many video hosting platforms offer features where you can control where your video is embedded or viewed. For example, you can prevent your video from being shared on other sites or downloaded directly from the player by adjusting the privacy settings on platforms like Vimeo or YouTube. Let's not forget digital rights management, DRM. DRM is a powerful tool to help protect your content from being copied, shared, or downloaded. It encrypts your content and ensures that only authorized users can access it. DRM solutions can be a bit more complex to set up, but they offer the highest level of protection, especially for high-value content like ebooks, movies, or software. Now, if you want a comprehensive, easy-to-use solution, the software we'll be using in this video is a game changer. After trying several popular options, I found this software to be the most effective and user-friendly for content protection. It combines watermarks, right-click disabling, password protection, and even DRM. I highly recommend giving it a try, and you can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. Key takeaway: to protect your content from being shared or downloaded, you need to take advantage of watermarks, disabling right-click, password protection, embedding restrictions, and DRM. These strategies, when used together, will greatly reduce the likelihood of unauthorized sharing or downloading of your content. So, if you want to follow along and get started with the software I've mentioned, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Protect your content and take control of how it's shared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to apply these tips today.